What's up, Home Bar Heroes, and welcome to Home Bar Hero, the show where we show you how to become the hero of your own home bar. I asked you guys on my Instagram story the other day, what do you want to see me make here on Home Bar Hero? And one of the first responses I got was Orgees, which I can't show you how to make here. You're going to have to figure that one out yourself. But the second response I got was the Tokyo Iced Tea.
Tokyo Go-Go, baby, yeah!
Amber says, if you could figure out how to make me a Tokyo Iced Tea, I'd love you forever, Green Heart, my drink of choice, and I'd find one bartender a year that knows how to do it. Couple different variations online, and I don't know better on which way is better / correct to make it myself. Well, Amber, Rose Petals, we're gonna figure that out today. Because today, we're making the Tokyo Iced Tea.
Tokyo Iced Tea!
The Tokyo Iced Tea is a variation of the Long Island Iced Tea, and it packs a serious punch. I would not recommend having more than 2 of these drinks. My friend Mike and I made that mistake once, and it was a bad night. It turned out to be not a good night. So yeah, stick to 2. Unless you have like a crazy high tolerance, then go wild. But drink responsibly as always, and don't drive. Just throw your keys away. Put them in the garbage, trash compactor, I don't care, just don't put them in your ignition, alright? So the Tokyo Iced Tea consists of quite a few ingredients. You have triple sec, gin, tequila,
Sounds good.
vodka,
Great.
rum, Midori,
Got it.
it's green, a lemon and a lime, and 7-Up.
Cool.
There's a lot of liquid in this drink, so you're gonna need a big glass. So grab yourself a big glass. I think that one's big enough. Grab yourself your shaker. Remember we talked about that in the first episode? You're gonna need your shaker. So go ahead and grab your shaker. If you have a jig that has a measuring mark on it, you're gonna be using the ½ ounce a lot for this drink because it's pretty much a ½ ounce of everything. First, we're gonna start with a triple sec. Let's do a ½ ounce of triple sec. Also, you can put ice in before if you want, but it waters down the drink, so I prefer to put ice in after the fact. In it goes! ½ ounce of gin. I'm using Esme gin. You can use any kind of gin you want. Beefeater, Tanqueray, it don't matter. ½ ounce of tequila. ½ ounce of vodka. I just bought this one, so it's fresh. Cracking it. You'll notice that these are all white liquors. Silver rum, you got silver tequila, silver gin, you don't really find a barrel-aged gin, and triple sec. ½ ounce of rum. Yumma dum dum, pouring in the rum. We're gonna do 1 ounce of Midori. This is also new. If I can get the seal open here. So I was trying to figure out exactly where the name Tokyo Iced Tea came from. Like who made this drink, and I just couldn't find anything online, except that it was a variation of a Long Island. However, Midori is infused with Japanese melon. So I guess that's where the Tokyo in Tokyo Iced Tea comes from. I don't know. I've never tasted Tokyo. I don't know what Tokyo tastes like, so someone hit me up in the comments. Smells like melons. It really smells like a sour candy, like a melon kind of candy. You're gonna do a full ounce of Midori. Now some variations call for sour mix. I think it's gonna be way too sweet with sour mix and 7-Up and Midori. I mean, a lot of these, the triple sec is also pretty sweet. Now here's where you're not gonna skimp. We're not gonna use a super sugary sour mix, but we are gonna use a fresh lime in here. Get your lime, we're gonna squeeze 1 whole lime in here. It's gonna give it that snap, that zing, that vivaciousness. Where's my juicer? Juicer! Magic! You're gonna get your juicer. Squeezing that full lime here. Like I said, it's just gonna give it that little freshness. You can never have enough lime, you can never have enough mint, you can never have enough fresh ingredients in your drink. I mean, there is a limit. Just follow along. Don't squeeze 7 limes in, okay? 1 full lime in there. You're probably like, what's the lemon for? We'll get to it. Okay, we got the base of our ingredients in here. Do not pour your 7-Up in here and shake it up because you're going to lose all the fizziness. Grab some ice and put it in your shaker. That's good. Throw your shaker lid on. Shake her up, baby! Yeah. Millie Rock with the shake. Millie Rock, you want to get that dilution a little bit. There's a lot of booze in here. Make sure you're shaking it long enough to have that ice melt down just a little bit. You want the dilution, a little bit. Not a whole lot, but just enough to bring those boozy flavors together. Once you feel like your drink is diluted enough, oh, I'm tired from shaking. Get your glass, fill it with ice. I hate the top of these things. They never pour right. They don't pour right. There we go. Get your Hawthorne strainer. Much faster, pours better too. It's going to be very green. See that? It looks like Mountain Dew. You're going to take your 7-Up. You're just going to top it off with the 7-Up. That little fizz, look at that, it's beautiful. Lemon, you're going to take the lemon, cut your lemon in half, cut it in a wedge. There's plenty of videos online showing you how to cut the wedge. Give it a little wedge, slice it, and boom, there you have it. Tokyo iced tea. Wow. Dangerous. Definitely dangerous. Like I said, guys, drink responsibly, alright? Thank you for watching Home Bar Hero. Don't forget to subscribe. And, what are you drinking? Cheers.